Hello, everybody. Welcome back for your week 19 of PE. So, this week we are continuing with the cone flip challenge. We are going to modify it some. I'm going to modify it a little bit to where the students, instead of just challenging each other, they're still going to challenge each other, but they're also going to try to move up levels. So, we're going to continue to work on that one more week just because this week we have early release on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which means our classes are shorter. So I'm going to go ahead and stay with the cone flipping this week, and then next week we start our new unit. So this week for you, you are going to, for your warm up, you're going to do this daily Tabata warm up, right? We have done Tabata before. You know that you exercise for 20 seconds, just as it says right here, and then you have a 10-second rest. So that's going to be your warm up. And then your activity for this week is cup stacking. Cup stacking is really good for your brain development. It makes you cross right side of your body to left side of your body, so crossing the midline of our body. So that's really good for our brains to do that. And it's also great for hand-eye coordination. So I have given you a cup stacking intro video that will explain exactly what cup stacking is to you. And then after you watch that, then you're going to learn how to do the basic cup stacking, the 3-3-3 stack. And she is basically going to show you how to do the 3-3-3 stack, right? She's going to start you off with the basic three stack, how to do the three stack. And then she is then going to take you to learning how to do the 3-3-3 stack. So all you really need is cups, and you just plastic cups will be fine. You're going to see that they're going to tell you there's certain type of cups that they use, but plastic cups are fine. Obviously, no glass. We don't want you breaking anything at your house, so I would use plastic cups or foam cups or anything like that that won't break. And so that's what you're going to be working on learning this week, how to cup stack. So I hope you enjoy it, something different we haven't done yet. And I look forward to seeing you next week with our new unit of instruction. Have a great time today and enjoy learning about your cup stacking. Bye.